The question given is velocity time graph of a particle moving in a straight line is shown in figure. In the time interval from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 14 seconds. So here we have to find out the average velocity and average speed of the particle. The area of velocity versus time graph will give us displacement. The area of the graph above the time axis will give us the displacement in positive direction, and area of the graph below the time axis will give us the displacement in the negative direction. So first let us calculate the displacement in positive direction. Displacement in positive direction will be the area of this trapezium. Area of trapezium will be half into sum of the parallel sides. Here this is 2 and this is 10. So this will be 2 plus 10 into height of the trapezium. Height of the trapezium will be 20. So this will cancel out 10 times. So this will be 120 meters. So in positive direction, the body is going to have a displacement of 120 direction. So similarly in the negative direction, let us calculate the displacement in negative direction. That will be the area of this triangle, that is half into base 10, 14 minus 10, that will be 4 into height 10. So this will be 20. So we can say that the particle will have a positive displacement of 120 meters. It will move in this direction. Again it will reverse its direction and travel a displacement of 20 meters. This will be the path of that particle on the straight line. So first question, we have to find out the average velocity. Average velocity, if we consider the magnitude, that will be equal to the total displacement upon total time taken. Total displacement here will be plus 120 minus 20, that will be 100, upon total time is here 14. So this will be 50 and this will be 7. So average displacement can be written as 50 upon 7 meters per second. Similarly, average speed. Average speed is the total displacement upon total time. Total displacement here will be 120 plus 20. So this will be 140 upon total time taken is 14 seconds. So this will cancel out 10 times. So average speed can be written as 10 meters per second. This will be the final solution for this question.